Hi, it's Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist with our first of the summer hurricane update, and we have what is currently called Tropical Storm Helene coming our way. If you've seen it, I like to make these updates, especially if you're from outside of Florida, because if you are watching the news, you probably think that the entire state of Florida is going to be wiped out. So let me just give you the truth as I see it and what I synthesized from listening to the news. Currently, it's way far south of us, right? It's still a tropical storm, and it is projected to become a hurricane with a strength as high as a level 3 as of tomorrow. So it's coming up into the Gulf. It is still quite a bit west of us. It is going to be at a high strength when it is parallel to kind of the Tampa, Sarasota area. Again, this is all from what I see on TV, right? And the big thing for our area is the storm surge. So they're not predicting tons of rain. It's going to be pretty much moving fast. Not a, gusts, they're saying maybe like 60 or 70 miles an hour. That's something to worry about for tree limbs and things like that on power lines, but nothing like the strong hurricanes that we've seen other places. And then the big thing is this storm surge, because as this hurricane comes up and cycles around, it can push water onto our beaches and inland. They're saying our area could have as much as 4 to 7 feet, so that's something we're going to absolutely be watching for. Areas in what they call evacuation area A, low-lying areas, as well as all the tropical barrier islands, are being evacuated. So that does include like Lombo Key, Lido Key, Bird Key, where we live. And that's kind of really more of an issue of the water that could be on the roads following a storm surge. So our own house is up at 11 feet. We're not particularly worried at this point, but we're absolutely watching. We're going to keep you informed, and as the storm comes, I'll make other videos and let you know. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning is the high tide. As the storm comes up, like that could be a time to be paying a lot of attention to. At the moment, if you need help, give us a call at 941-387-1840. We have a team of people that are here ready to help if there's anything that you need.